You will never be able to steal Christmas from us. Really? Are you sure? Hi guys, Iconic here. Welcome back to this channel. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for being here. Today pala is a collaboration with Miss Karen. She's a YouTuber. I will be placing her link on the description box, and we will be collaborating a Christmas theme. But for me, this will be an opening for my Christmas look season. I'm super excited. Please click the notification bell so that manonotify kayo if meron akong bagong videos, because I will be uploading a lot or more Christmas videos for you. Aren't you excited? So I'm excited too, and I'm challenged if ano yung mga gagawin ko. And by the way guys, Sis Karen is good in makeup as well, so I hope you're going to check her out, and I hope you're going to like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. So without further ado, I know that nakikita nyo na yung intro, so I hope that I was able to nail it. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. And to start off, I'm using this green face paint. I wasn't expecting this one. I thought this was a light green, but then it's dark green. So we're going to work it out. Don't judge me. So Grinch is having a light green complexion, but this one is a bit dark, but it's okay. We're going to work on it. And as of now, this is the only one that is available on my side, so we're going to use it. Okay, don't judge me. And for my face, I did cleanse my face, moisturize my face, and then I did not apply any primer or any foundation. I just used this oil-based face paint, okay, if you're asking. And then setting this with a dark green eyeshadow, because I don't have a light green eyeshadow as of the moment. So we're going to again use what we have, and then using a bit of darker green as my contour, and work so that there will be a bit of dimension on our face. And for my eyebrows, as you can see, Grinch has a dark eyebrows. I use black eye pencil, and then spreading it out just like parang Betty La Fea ang peg. Okay, and then as you can see, later on I will be smudging the inner part of my brows just to mimic the brows of Grinch, which is a little bit bushy. And yes, work. And after this, having fake strokes, I'm going to add a bit of division and create an illusion of wrinkles on my forehead, just like the Grinch. And then creating this nose with a black liner. This is very useful, you know, in this look, because so far I use this for tracing, and then tracing on the wrinkle side, as you can see on what I'm doing in this video. Please look at the video as well so that you will be able to know what I'm talking about, because I don't know, I'm not really good in explaining, you know, but please watch the video. And I'm just blending everything, blending the edges so that there will be a dimension, that hollow on our face. And yes, blend is the key. And then I'm putting a bit of white later on the wrinkles. And then for my eyes, I use this glitter eyeshadow. I did not put any drama on my eyeshadow, but I just placed a glitter so that to look like a bit of a girl Grinch. And then outlining my eyes with this and of course eyeliner. look a bit beautiful even if we are on Grinch mode. Okay, using the black pencil eyeliner. I totally suggest, guys, if you're using gel liners, black liners, cream liners, or pencil liners, set it with a black powder or any powder darker which will complement on the pomade or liner that you use, so that it will last long, and then creating this small dots on the side of my lips, upper side of my lips. Just continue to blend the edges so that there will be no harsh lines. As you can see, voila! To add a bit of highlight, I use a white pencil color underneath the black lines that we made earlier, and using this Forever 21 Chic tint, super pink, under the lower part of our lips, and then putting on the same face paint color on my neck to complement our face area. And lashes, of course, because the Grinch has this beautiful Vapaboom eyelashes. So this is the finished look. Joy?